Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Dodge Charger garage door opener. First, find the 3 home link buttons, usually on your sun visor. Make sure your garage door remote has a fresh battery for reliable signal transmission. Finally, park your charger very close to the garage door, ideally within 5 feet, to ensure a strong connection during programming. For fixed code systems, begin by clearing any previous programming. Press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons until the indicator light flashes. Next, position your garage remote about 3 inches from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the remote button and the home link button until the indicator light changes from a slow to a rapid flash. If you have a rolling code system, the process is slightly different. First, press and hold the home link button you want to program for about 20 seconds until the light flashes slowly. Then, go to your garage door opener motor unit and find the Learn or Smart button. Press this button once, then quickly return to your charger and press the desired home link button 3 times. After programming, test your home link button to ensure it opens and closes your garage door correctly. If it doesn't work, don't worry, simply repeat the programming steps. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get it right. For more detailed instructions, always refer to your Dodge Charger's owner's manual. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.